Hello and welcome to CM First Group's CM evolveIT overview and product demonstration. Mainframe organizations are faced with many challenges. When it comes to maintenance and support, improving productivity can be paramount to save time and get more done. When it comes to modernization, assessing and estimating projects can be time-consuming and very expensive. CM evolveIT's customers choose evolveIT because of the user interface capabilities of point-to-point analysis and code slicing, the capability to find business rules, and because we're enterprise ready, evolveIT can handle tens of thousands of programs and other components in its database. Let's begin our demonstration. First, you can see that evolveIT enables the analyst to find and see all the components they're interested in. So I'm going to start by finding some file information, and we're going to filter evolveIT so that the only thing we're seeing are those things related. We call this filtering the noise. So you can see the colorization showing that batch jobs are both reading and writing. That's what this light blue color means. And this program, being darker blue, is writing only, and this program is green, and meaning that it is reading the data. I like to begin with documentation, and so I'm going to build a standardized document from my selection, and it's going to be generated to show me 3 levels of information. Once I have a starting point, I can do that point-to-point analysis by right-clicking and drilling into, in this case, a job flow diagram. Once I've identified a program, I can build a control flow diagram, enabling me to see the structure of that program and even the ability to drill in and find the governing conditions or the decisions that happen within that program. Now, once I have that information, I can both expand the diagram and interact with the diagram to look at source code. Now, keep in mind, we've worked through a graphic map from the batch job down into the program, and now we're looking at one small area of source code of interest rather than scanning, searching, and reading source code to figure out what needs analyzed. Let's move on to another capability of evolveIT we call inventory search. There are 2 capabilities here. One is a kind of a standard text or scanning search tool. We want to focus today in on our data search. So we're going to add a field name in here, which is loan amount. And this loan amount field will enable us to run a search, find all the locations across the inventory where this particular field is used. As I open up the results, you're going to see the fields that were found, which is our loan amount, but also path analysis information is showing us the backwards path and the forwards path. So we have both population of the field and usage of the field in this view. Once we have this information, we can also drill into source code and begin to use what we call a code slice or data logic trace to do a backwards path analysis and answer questions like where are the business rules that define loan amount and other questions that a business analyst might ask. Now keep in mind there's more than data flow that is important to business rules. You also want to know the logic that determines the when of the, in this case, compute statement. So again, I have the ability to drill in, find these dependent decisions, and you can see now a full path analysis that gives us the beginning point in one program, tracing all the way across through the other program and the read and write of data, and finding all the logic that we're interested in. Now keep in mind, as you look at these kinds of business rules projects, you need to capture all this information, but you need to capture it in a way that allows you to look at the data from a business perspective and define the business rules so that you're not redesigning the architecture that you already have, but you're looking at a data-centric and business-centric perspective. Thank you for your time. We look forward to the opportunity to provide you with a full demo and answer your questions.